Let's talk about creating a task in Unisyn. While your screen may look somewhat different than mine, based on the configuration of your organization, on the bottom right corner of my screen, you will see the word More. I will click on More and open up my Tasks feature. To create a task, I will click on the plus icon on the bottom corner of my screen. This will allow me to create a new task for myself, assign it to others, and add critical information regarding the task itself. This could be something like repair a door. I can create more information by adding details. I can add subtasks. For example, order parts, create a work order, or whatever else goes into repairing this door. I can add a due date that's appropriate, add a priority level, add any tags where people can rapidly sort through multiple tasks by sorting through tags that are appropriate to what they are looking for, like internal documents to show how to repair a door, for example, and any images that I wish. When I add images, they will live directly inside of this task for reference for anyone who's associated with this task to review and get the context they need to do their job right the first time. Once I have added all the details to this particular task, I can click on the upper right corner of my screen, Done. This will add a task which will allow me and any other individuals who have been assigned this task for visibility to rapidly view all the tasks that are currently due or due in the near future. On this particular screen, I have my tasks, but if there are other tasks that have been assigned and I have visibility to them, I would see them here as well. I may also choose to search on the upper right corner of my screen by a certain keyword, just like we did in chats, and I can also filter using a large number of various parameters. This concludes the video on tasks in Unisyn.